Hello friends, this is my project of solar tracking system and it is automatic. Now what's new in this project is, as we know that the position of sun is different at different time interval, like at 11 a.m. it's different, at 1 p.m. it's different, at 3 p.m. it's different, and depending upon that the sun rays may or may not directly coming onto the solar panel and efficiency varies. So we can auto adjust the solar panel. Depending upon that we can have maximum efficiency. Now it is moving on to this motor to check where it is getting maximum efficiency. This is the system which is operating and checking all this. First of all, the ADC which is receiving the analog data of the solar panel, motor driver to operate the motor, microcontroller section which will display as well as control all this part, and the battery which will provide the power supply as well as control. It will be operated via solar panel, or you can say it will be charged via solar panel. Now first of all, what I will do is I'll find out my source of light, which is these two lights, and here it should have maximum efficiency if it's in this direction actually, and I'll hold it into some other direction so that I can check whether it will stop at this direction or not. And how I will do it, I will hold the motor, place it in this direction and switch it on. Now it starts moving to find out where it can have maximum efficiency. It might take 2 or 3 rotations. Now it has stopped in this direction where it is getting the maximum output, and LCD is not visible, but we can see that the system is properly working. Like these are the source and it is in this direction. If we want to recheck, we can do that. We'll again place it into this direction, operate it. Now it starts again moving. Now again it stops in that direction. This is all about my project. Thank you.